Large substances taken by single-cell organisms are often particles or large polar molecules and connected to the hydrophobic plasma membrane. Many single-cell eukaryotes employ endocytosis to ingest thus food in particles. In this process, the plasma membrane extends to the outward and cover the food particles like this process. Here like that we shall use to measure three types endocytosis. First phagocytosis, second pinocytosis, third receptor-mediated endocytosis. If the material take place in particles such as a bacterium or fragile organic matters, the process that called phagocytosis. The material take place liquid in its cell that called pinocytosis, like this process. And specific molecules such as low densities lipoproteins and are often transported into the eukaryotic cells receptors mediate endocytosis. Molecules to be transported first bind to the specific receptors on the plasma membrane and initiate the proteins embedded in the membrane. The proteins inside the membrane area of the lipid. One an appropriate collection of the molecules and gathering in the corded pit. The pit identified in the seeds and on the form vesicles. The eukaryotes and the molecules into the cells. Exocytosis is the reverse of the endocytosis. In this process, resolve and they discharge the material from the membrane surface of the cell.